Hey YouTube, Kyle here with another really quick product review. What we have here is the SACHS Performance Coilover Kit for W204 and W207 models. So your 204 models are going to be your rear-wheel drive C300 and C350 models. This kit fits rear-wheel drive vehicles only. Additionally, your E550 and E350 rear-wheel drive coupe models. The coupe bodies were based on the 204 chassis. So, what does this kit get you? Full height adjustability. You've got an adjustment range from about 1¼ inches to 3 inches. Additionally, you have rebound and compression adjustment, and you've got a monotube shock absorber, an inverted monotube design. Your inverted design gets you additional strength over your regular or your standard shock arrangement. If you are considering going to the track more often than not, or you're considering the upper echelon of parts that you can install to really get your car to handle optimally, this is perfect for the track or the street. You have various valving adjustments that allow it to be street friendly, and then you can adjust it on the track, no tools needed. So what you can see on this monotube here, your adjustment is right here at the bottom, so it's easily accessible. Same goes for your front strut assembly. You can't quite see it here, but the adjustment knob is on the bottom. No tools are required. When you're purchasing the SACHS Performance Coilover Kit, we recommend also replacing the upper shock mount with the OE part. We also recommend replacing the upper strut mount with the OE part as well, and replace your end links at the same time. This has been another really quick product review. If you like what you've seen today, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.